Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max to the Windows, how to use Apple devices application in Windows, and let's begin. So we had iTunes application to connect and to communicate our smartphone with Windows, but nowadays the most modern Apple application is Apple devices application for Windows. So first of all, we should download it and install. So where can we find it? So this application is available only in Microsoft Store. So let's find the store. Yeah, and here we have Apple devices, so just search for it, Apple devices, and as you can see I have it already installed, so I will open it. You can download this application. Here we have settings. As you can see, there is no too many settings inside. And what could we do? We can just connect our USB-C cable to our computer and to our iPhone. Unlock your device. It will ask you about trust this computer or not, so click trust of course and confirm your passcode again. And wait a while. Cool, here we are. As you can see, the first that this application do is asking us about do we want to encrypt our backups. I don't want to encrypt backup, and it's automatically syncing my device, as you can see. Now what can we do here? We can check for update. So we can update, download an update, download only or cancel. We can restore an iPhone, so we can hard reset our device just using this application. We can back up most important data. We can back up all data on the computer. We can encrypt local backup if we want, and we can create a backup, right? So cool. As you can see, this is new Apple devices application. Here we have even, as you can see, even music. So the music application is not installed on my device, but we can get music up, and we can manage music library. Movie application is not installed too. iPhone is using iCloud photos. You can access every photo and video you take from any device to sync photos from this computer. Turn off iCloud photos. So if you will disable iCloud photos, you can sync your photos with Windows device, not with iCloud. Okay, so maybe it's not too handy because it's better to sync with an iCloud and with computer, right? But unfortunately it's not possible. What about files? As you can see, the app listed below can transfer documents between your iPhone and your computer. So using this application we can send files from our Windows to our iPhone. Unfortunately we can't do it in different direction. I don't know what's going on here. Maybe somebody connected to my iPhone remotely via Apple Watches and recording Apple Watches, but okay. So what's now? So here we can, for example, open our Firefox, right, and add a file, and this way we can send files to our iPhone. In this way we can do it very fast. As you can see, we have Firefox, right? We have here downloads, and we can just add a file here. Music on our device, we can manage it. We can manage movies on our device, and that's it. that's it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. I will record several videos about how to backup step by step, how to send files step by step to the iPhone, but it's a bit later and in different videos. So just subscribe to our channel, like this video, and write a comment to follow us. Thanks for watching, and bye. See you.